Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have brought two unique products for you. So the products I'm talking about are these two carrying cases, and these are not ordinary cases. These are very special. So let me now take both these bags out of their packages. And you can see that how well they are packed and presented to you. So these are the two carrying cases, and their presentation and packaging is very good, and all the credit goes to the DD Hi-Fi brand who made these products. So this is our first case, a large size case, and this is a small size case. And they both are very beautiful. This one model number is CZ300 and its price is $56, and its model number is CZ180 and its price is $30. So let's start the review now. First I will review this large size bag, and then I will discuss or show you this bag as well or highlight it. So the look wise, the bag is beautiful, and the color that's been put into it is because it's made for rough use, and also so that it doesn't get dirty so quickly, and also if it did, it wouldn't be recognizable. So it's a perfect combination for daily drivers and users, and I really like this color because I'm going to use it 24/7. This is a very good color if you are going to use it. Now let's talk about its build quality. So the material which is used is very soft and good. The link is given below, you can read it in detail. It's almost waterproof and is very good in harsh environments as well. That's why I'm saying that it's a perfect choice for every type of user. Let me zoom in more for you so that you can take a closer look of how well this is made and what is the material exactly. Let's zoom in for you. So I hope now you will take a better look. So this is the material exactly, and I really like it. Let's see what's inside. So there are two chambers. The main chamber is the lower one, which is here. It's a large size chamber, and the upper chamber is for some small accessories, etc. And all these partition strips you see in the lower chamber are removable, and you can organize it as per your choice or as you wish. For example, here you can make 10 spaces, but I have made only 8 because I find it more usable and easy. You see, so I have made only 8, otherwise you can adjust these two and then you will have 10 different spaces. So this is a great option for audiophiles and gadget lovers. Let me fill them and then show you later. Now this small carrying case is also very handy, and some may like this one and some may like this one. And you can see it's also following the same pattern, first chamber and then the second chamber, and this is a transition in between. So here you can add some accessories, and here as well, and then this is the main chamber. So this one is $30 and this one is $56. Let me zoom in this one for you as well. so that you can take a closer look. No one shows you these kind of things, but I am, so that you should know what is the product exactly. You can see how well this is made. The finishing is absolutely top class. You will not find a single bit of thing which is criticizable. So I think they both are very well made, and now I'm going to fill them and then we'll show you how they actually works.